Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook longanisa pasta. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need black pepper, salt, tomato sauce, and then tomatoes, garlic, onions, and white of the spring onions, and then the longanisa. Pasta is cooking inside. It's still cooking inside, okay? Saute the garlic. Saute the garlic. And then the onions and the white onions and the spring onions or spring onions. The tomatoes. Any kinds of longanisa, guys. We're gonna add black pepper and salt. I'm gonna add pork cubes. And then, since the longanisa is pork, and then I'm gonna add water. And then, we're gonna simmer, guys, for a few minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, okay, look at that one, oh. It's very nice. Okay, and then we're gonna add the tomato sauce. By the way, guys, I forgot also cheese. We're gonna add cheese also. That in my ingredients. Oh, we're gonna simmer for a few minutes and then we'll add the pasta. Okay, cheese. Oh, it's super yummy na, guys. Okay, guys. Stop this. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's enough. That's good. Okay. Okay, guys. Look at that one. It's done, guys. Okay, guys, so and then we're gonna add more cheese. The pasta is done, so we're gonna add cheese. And then I'm gonna taste first, guys, our sausage pasta. So I wanna taste a little, guys. Okay, then we're gonna get not sausage but longanisa. Okay, longanisa pasta. And then I'm gonna add cheese in mine. Okay, so this is it, guys. Our longanisa pasta. It's super yummy. Oh, It's tasting time. Okay, I'm sure that it's hot. It's yummy, guys. Because lamig yun siya, guys. Basta pagluto nimo sa pasta, guys, al dente, dili lata. Lamig. Lamig siya, guys. Okay. Lamig siya, basta al dente ang pagkaluto sa pasta. Na dili lata. Ang kalami kay lain man lata man. Mm. 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 Hello ko na to. Mm. Mm. Guys, it's super yummy. Mm. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Cha, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.